Today, we're going to talk about how to sell your startup to a strategic. And that topic is key for startups. As one said, if you don't exit, you're doing you're trying to do good things for the world, but your technology is going to be limited in scope. And frankly, the startup founders usually need an exit because they've been putting in a lot of sweat equity. So this isn't a charity. we're in this to make impact, and we're here to try and make a living and get our technology out into the world. So let's get going. So we're going to talk first about. I'll introduce a little bit about myself and the fund, Exit Ventures. Talk about how to find a strategic buyer, doing due diligence and deal negotiation, deal valuation and structure, and then people retention and the decision to sell. First of all, I've spent most of my career in corporate M&A, not as an investment banker, but as a corporate development lead for two public companies, Danaher and Still Partners. I've led over $3 billion worth of transactions as a strategic. And so that's almost 100 transactions. This presentation is based on the experience that I've gleaned from being a strategic acquirer. Let's see. I was part of the team that created the Danaher acquisition system. That system was named one of the best in the country by Institutional Investor magazine when I was there. That system, it has been modified since I left, but that system is responsible for acquiring roughly $15 to $20 billion worth of businesses for Danaher. It has been very successful and has generated very good return on investment for Danaher shareholders. If you look at their stock price over the last 20 years, it's kind of up and to the right, almost solid for a 20-year period. I've been a startup CEO. We engaged in plastic film recycling, and we sold that business last year. And I've been a clean tech managing director for a European water technology company. And I'm currently, as I mentioned, angel investor with Keiretsu, Clean Tech Committee co-chair, and I'm currently the general partner of Exit Ventures. We are a sustainability, clean tech, and impact fund, and we are focused on startups, late seed to Series B, that are highly likely to be acquired by a strategic. No surprise there. And that overlay of the startups we look at within clean tech and sustainability means that we screen for companies that are likely to be acquired by a strategic. And then once we invest, we implement our strategic exit system, which is a multi-year proactive system that helps them prepare for through creating synergies with a strategic acquirer and creating partnerships. It helps them prepare for that eventual strategic exit. And we'll talk a little bit more about that a little later.